So this is the MIG 90, brand new welder from Eastwood. For a few $100, you get a quality little welder that can do both flux core and true MIG welding. Comes with a 5-foot gas hose, a regulator, and a 2-pound spool of 023 wire, all for free, and a 3-year no-hassle warranty. Now, this is the baby of the Eastwood MIG welder lineup, but in this video, we're not going to treat it like a baby because we're going to torture it with some 1/8-inch steel, which is pretty thick. If this welder can handle this, it'll be able to handle pretty much anything on a car that you could throw at it. I'm gonna lay some beads in just a second here, but first, let's talk about the other machine on the table. This is the big gun, the MIG 180, one of our most popular welders that we know can weld 1/8-inch steel all day without a problem. It's double the power, but also double the price of the MIG 90. But does it actually weld any better for automotive work? That's what we're about to find out. But first, let's talk about the setups here for our little experiment, make sure everything's under control. Each machine is ran with brand new, fresh 030 wire, and yes, the MIG 90 does include a contact tip for 030, as well as the standard 023 that comes with it. I'm using the same gas bottle for both, 25% CO2, 75% argon mix. I have both machines grounded right to the table, which is pretty clean, and both machines are plugged into the same extension cord, which is going into a 120-volt wall outlet. And that evens the playing field because both of these machines have the same duty cycle when on a 120. Everything for our experiment is under control, so let's see if the MIG 90 can hold up to the bigger MIG 180. All right, that's it for the 90. Let's hook up the 180 and see what that one can do. Well, guys, there you have it, right there. 2 welds, they'll get the job done. I'm no master welder, this isn't an art show, but if that was going on my car, I'd be happy with it. It's structural, there's no porosity on there, good heat discoloration, no undercut. So, 2 good welds. If you told me they both came from the same machine, I believe you, but the facts are what they are. One of them came from this little MIG 90 right here, one of them came from the MIG 180. So if 1/8 inch is really all you're working on, and let's be honest, 1/8 of an inch is going to be pretty much as thick as you'll find on a car, the MIG 90 is going to do you just fine. Now if you need to go past this and you have a 240 outlet in the garage, the MIG 180 is going to do that all day for you. Both good machines. It really just depends on budget and what you're looking to do, but if it's just a couple projects in the garage, the MIG 90 will serve you just fine. Well, guys, that's going to do it. We're giving away a MIG 180 welder just like this one at 500,000 subscribers. Also, make sure you check out our channel as well. We post tons of great how-to content over there you're definitely going to want to see. We'll have both these welders linked below for you. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm JD. Make sure you keep it right here at Eastwood to do the job right.